So if the exam, so what materials am I allowed to take it to the exam? Yes, you can take the practitioner study guide, but as I mentioned, you won't be having much time to refer the materials. Does that mean that I should not review the materials at all? No. It is essential that you review the practitioner study guide few times before taking the exam, because for the practitioner OTE, the reference work is the relevant parts of the APMP POC that's lifted and dropped in the APMP practitioner guide. This knowledge, which is captured in the study guide, every question related to the provided scenario has some sort of relevance in the APMP practitioner study guide. So refining or reviewing those information in the practitioner guide will giving you enough insights in sitting the exam, but while you are actually in the exam, referring that for the very first time might not be of good benefit to you. So 100% refer the practitioner study guide, but don't have more expectations of using the APMP practitioner guide in the exam